welcome to class 5 social studies. So yesterday we started with the lesson the prairies, temperate grasslands. So we were seeing one region children. So in this lesson we are going to see about the grasslands. In the all over the world where and all the grasslands are there, and what is the name for the grasslands in each country yesterday we saw. So it is called as prairies in North America. So in yesterday's video we saw the location, what is the climate, vegetation and all, so where it is located. So today's class we will see about the wildlife children. Okay, so what are the animals found over there? As it is having an extremely harsh climate, these animals are adapted to that. That means adjusted to that climate. Okay. So what are the animals they are you can find over there means there are grazing animals such as deer and antelope. So in your book also pictures are given children, deer and antelope, and then burrowing animals. Burrowing animals means they will dig on the land, they will dig a hole and stay inside that children. So you could have observed rat or sometimes rabbit like that. So what are the animals over there? Like prairie dog, okay, prairie dog, and then the jackrabbit. So it's also given here picture. So these are the animals which burrow the land and live inside. Okay, the carnivores like coyote, fox and badger. Okay, coyote, it's given over here children. Carnivores means it will eat only the animals, other animals. So coyote, badger and fox are also found here, and it is the rattlesnake. This is also very famous children, rattlesnake, prairie rattlesnake. Okay, also found over there, mice and snakes. The next one, at one time hordes of bison children. Okay, hordes of bison, that is group. So simply it will roam around. Groups of that bison, that animal will be moving over here and there. So that was there once upon a time, now it is not there. Now it has come under endangered species children. Okay, now it has come under endangered species. Next one, life of the people in the prairies. So how the life of the people. So it is little different children. Okay, life of the people, they are sparsely populated. Okay, they will have large area of land for cultivation, but their population will be very less children. So sparsely means very less quantity. Okay, sparsely means less quantity of people, less number of people only live over there. The next one, most of the people are descendants. Okay, descendants of the European settlers. So in America, the native people are the Red Indians children. Okay, so people from Spain, Portugal, England, like that, from European countries went and settled over there. So you would have learned that how America got its name, no? America Vespucci. This one. Because of that. Okay, so most of the people are descendants of the European settlers, while others are farmers. Some grow crops and others rear livestock. Livestock means rearing like sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, no children. That comes under livestock. So those people who rear livestock are called cowboys. So you could have seen the style of cowboys wearing hat and jacket with the boots. Yes, in films and all you could have seen them, cowboys. Okay, the next one is your economic activities. Okay, for the livelihood, what they are doing, economic activities. As we saw, this is a grasslands. Okay, they cultivate the wheat in a very large area children. Acres and acres of land, they cultivate this wheat farming. Okay, they occupy hundreds of acres of land. So in that each farm will have a homestead. Each farm will have a homestead. So what is homestead means? The family members who are doing the farming, they live over there, and along with their workers, they have their own building, and for the animals also they keep the place, and they look after the land, agricultural land children. So in that is called as homestead. So people live in the homestead children, okay. And then all the agricultural activities, like agriculture means what? First plowing, then sowing the seeds, then making it to grow, watering it, then it comes for harvesting. Everything is done by machines children, okay. Everything is automized over there, okay. They use the machines because they have their acres of land, to cover that land. They can't employ all the farmers, that many people to work, so they use the machines, okay. Mainly the main advantage is everything like agricultural activities like plowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing and storing of food grains are done with the help of machines, and scientific methods and fertilizers are used, because to have a huge yield, then only they can get huge quantity of food production, okay. Here in this area children, mostly wheat is grown, so that's why it is called as, these grasslands are called as wheat basket of the world, okay. Wheat basket of the world. And one more also it is given, it is called the granary of the world, granary, okay. These place only wheat production is more in the world, okay. The two words describe them, that the wheat production is more. Wheat basket of the world and granary of the world. So other crops they grow over there is apart from wheat, that is maize, oats and then barley, rice, okay. Rice, oats, maize and barley. Okay, these crops are also grown over there children. Mainly they use the scientific methods and the machines to do every work. Almost they use the machines children, okay. Then next one, food grains are stored in large tall buildings called silos, okay. It is a large tall building children, because they produce huge quantity, tons and tons of wheat they will produce. So large tall buildings. So in your textbook also picture is given children, see there, see over a large area of land to harvest the wheat. See the machine will move over that area and it will collect only the this one wheat grains, and everything is being collected and poured over to the truck children. See, you can observe in the machine doing the work. Like this they utilize the machines children, okay. Next one children, one more word I want to tell you is, as I told you that wheat is being produced on a huge acres of land, okay. So it is called that as intensive farming, okay. Intensive farming means in a small area of land only they will get more yield, okay, more production of wheat or food crops. That is called as intensive farming, okay. The next one is cattle rearing children. Cattle rearing, okay. As in the western sides, it is very hilly and unterrain, okay. The terrain is not even, okay. So what happens, and the rainfall is also very less over there. So crops are not grown, but cattle is being reared over there, mainly cows and buffaloes children. So what they are doing, no, they will have ranches, Okay, the ranches has or estates or farms, okay, where that place they rear this livestock, okay, cows, buffaloes, like that they rear over their children. That farm or estate is called as ranchers. Okay, then this one, the cattle provide the food for the food in the form of milk and meat, children. Okay, so cows are reared for milk and its milk products. So you know what are the milk products? Paneer, cheese, butter, curd, like, and after that ghee also at last you can take. So these are the milk products. Then there are big dairy farms are there, children. Okay, big dairy farms. Okay. So in this huge quantity of milk is being produced, and all, as I told, for farming itself they are using machines. Here also for that with all modern facilities the farms has been built, children, machinery factories also. And the important part of their diet is beef, children. Okay, Chicago is the place where it is famous for slaughtering. Okay, Chicago, slaughtering, children. So what is mean by slaughtering means the killing of animals for meat. Okay, killing of animals for meat. Okay, killing of animals for meat. Then this beef is being exported to European countries. Many minerals are found in this region, children. That is ore crushing factories. So they may get the iron ore or aluminium ore is bauxite. Okay, like that they may get. So you have the ore crushing factories. They may get coal also, other mineral things like that, copper or for this mercury, like that and all they may get. So ore crushing factories and oil refineries also there. That means they may get petroleum also, children. Okay, oil refineries. If you have petroleum means only you can refine the petroleum now to get petrol, diesel, kerosene and all. So oil refineries are also present over there, and there may mean one of the important business activity is meat packing and flour mills. As I told, mainly the cow and buffaloes being reared, so their products is being used. So meat packing and flour mills. Meat packing and flour mills, children. Okay, as I told you, this one after meat is being packed, it is being exported to European countries. Okay, flour mills, as wheat is being produced, so flour mills are also more over there, children. Okay, by this lesson is over. All the points are important, children. Take your textbook and read. Okay, thank you.